Hey everybody, I'm Ryan Mallory and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to swing trade the stock market using technical analysis and my 30 years of experience trading in the stock market. Today I'm going to talk about the Robinhood IPO. Now technically it's not an IPO anymore, it's been trading for 2 days now, so it's just like a regular stock. It's the symbol HOOD for those who don't know. Should you be looking to get long? Should you get a position in it right now? I'm going to talk about that and more in this video. First, make sure you have subscribed down below and check out my YouTube membership where you're going to get all my market research each and every day, which include watch lists and setups and analysis on all of the indices plus all the FANG stocks. So check that down below. Now let's talk about this Robinhood IPO. It's one of the most hated stocks I think I've ever seen in my lifetime. I mean, this stock is hated by their customer base. People want to short the stock. People want to buy puts against the stock. They don't like it yet. They go public, and on the first day they drop 8.4%. Now you say, oh, maybe that's just, the first day of trading, it'll recover. Well, historically, stocks tend to go up about 18% on the day of their IPO. Not this time. Now, second day it did recover a little bit. It finished only down 7.5% from where it opened up the day before. But nonetheless, it's a pretty poor start. And what we're asking ourselves here in this video, should we be buying it? Should we be taking a long position on it? Now, even though a lot of stocks do pretty good that first day of trading, historically, they don't tend to do well over the months ahead, and 2021 hasn't been any different. Most of your IPOs have performed pretty poorly. Now, I can't go through every one of them, but I'm going to give you guys some examples here. You take a look at Coinbase. This is a stock that opened up at $381 and now it's trading at $236. It is on its way to being cut in half from its original IPO position. You take gambling.com, GAMB. This is a stock that's gone from $8 down to $7. Take a look at Affirm Holdings. This thing is quite the gem. It opened up at $90.90. It's now trading down to $56. Another one on its way to being cut in half. But they're not all bad. You take ZipRecruiter, it's gone from $20 up to $26, but it wasn't one of the more hyped up stocks that you saw out there. Now you think to yourself, Squarespace isn't looking all that bad, but look what it's done over the last month. It's more and more looking like a pop and drop kind of maneuver in that particular stock. Or take Poshmark, symbol POSH. It's gone from $97 down to $39 a share. I mean, this thing is getting train wrecked. Or how about the fact that they took a third off of the popular dating app Bumble, going from 76 down to 51. And then Didi, well, we know there's all sorts of problems going on with that one right now. It goes from 16 down to 7. Now it's settled in around $10.30 a share. Why am I telling you all this stuff? Because historically, IPOs don't do that great. Yes, they have that first day that's pretty good, but that's hard to get into and hard to maximize. And 2021 has not been any different than years past. In fact, when you take a stock like Robinhood, when it can't even go up on the first day, what makes you think that it's going to be any different than what we're seeing with Didi, what we're seeing with Bumble, and what we're seeing with Poshmark and Coinbase? It's no different with Facebook. I mean, look, this is a monthly chart of Facebook going all the way back to 2012. This thing went from $29 a share. Within a couple months, it was trading down at 17. Yes, the stock is unbelievable now, trillion-dollar company, but you gotta wait sometimes to get into these stocks. There's some really good opportunities where if you're patient with them, there will be a better opportunity to get in at a much lower price. Or so that's at least what history suggests. Here's another one that if you were patient with it, you could have made a lot of money. SNAP. Snap. This is another very hyped up stock, and this is what's also interesting, is the most hyped up stocks are the ones that usually do the worst. Snap goes from $24 down to $5, and it's doing phenomenal now, but man, there was a waiting period that you needed to wait this stock out, let it settle in at the lows so that it could eventually take that rise back to new all-time highs and beyond. Man, look. The IPOs, it's pretty much a racketeering scheme anyway. You have these institutions, they're getting in at pre-IPO prices, man, they're getting in low, and then it's almost like this Wolf of Wall Street mentality. They want to make their money. So when they go public with the stock, they're depending on you, the retailer, you, the guy that's using the Robinhood app or the Thinkorswim app or whatever trading platform that you're on. They're depending on you to hit that buy order so they can sell you those shares and make all that money that they got because they were able to get in at a time that you weren't able to get in at. So their goal is to get themselves onto all the cable network channels, hype up this stock, get you at home to say, I need to buy this. This thing's going to the moon. We're going to colonize Mars. It's going to be awesome. All the while, they're sitting on their yachts and they're watching all these buy orders come in for the shares that they're selling off to you. So don't be the clown that goes and helps them out and makes them even more rich. Wait for the stock to come back down. Wait for it to settle down. Find that nice basing pattern and get long at that point. But right now is not it, not 2 days in. Ultimately, I wouldn't be surprised to see Robinhood trade below $20 a share. It just wouldn't surprise me one bit. In fact, history is on my side when I say that I think it will. But you're going to have to be patient for that to happen. So be careful out there, be cautious. Be patient. One of the best skills you can have as a trader is to be patient. If you enjoyed this video, I encourage you to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments. What's your plans with Hood? I want to hear about it down in the comments below. Thank you guys, and God bless.